Hi guys, welcome to Teachersin. So today we'll discuss about ER for School Sallur. You can see here I have mentioned there are a lot of vacancies for PRT, NTT and TGT teachers. So let's go to their official notification and we'll discuss in details. So here you can see this is the official notification for ER for School Sallur, which is located in Tamil Nadu. They have mentioned invites application for the post of nursery teacher, trained teacher, primary teacher and trained graduate teacher. So here you can see a mandatory education qualification. Number one, they have mentioned for PRT, bachelor's degree with minimum 50% marks and bachelor of education, BEd or any equivalent degree. So you should have minimum bachelor's degree with 50%. With that, you should have BEd degree or relevant degree. Then for NTT teacher, you should have like secondary school certificate, like senior secondary certificate. With that, if you have like nursery teacher training or Montessori pre-primary teacher training or elementary education diploma from any recognized university, then it is good. Then third option you can see here for TGT teacher. For TGT teacher, you should have minimum master's degree or bachelor's degree. With that you should have like 50% whole subject as well as all that including elective subjects are, you can see here, Sanskrit is there. Okay, apart from that Hindi is there, then English is there. Then in social studies you can see lot of subjects are there like history, geography, economics, political science. Okay, which one of the most be either history or geography? So you can see the option. Apart from that, in TGT maths, with any 2 out of physics, like physics, chemistry, economics, computer science and statistics. Like same TGT in science, botany, zoology and chemistry. All 3 subjects should have been studied. So this type of vacancies are there. So you can see here. So if you have same kind of experience or qualities or certificates, then you can apply here. Then age preference, you can see here, minimum age is 21 and maximum is 50 years as per 1st of July 2021. And note, they have mentioned the shortlisted candidate will be selected by a 3-tier process of written exam, interview and the teaching demonstration. Then how to apply? They have mentioned here, interested candidates may send their applications by post with biodata to this address. So you have to send your biodata with all the documents to this address, or you can send all the soft copy to this email ID. Okay, so there are 2 options are there. So as per your compatibility, so you can send through hard copy or through soft copy. Then what is the last date? You can see here they have mentioned 5th of August 2021. Okay, so this is the last date. So you have to send your application before 5th of August 2021. And this is the details notification. I'll give you this link in my description. If you want to download and if you want to see, you can also see from there. And those who are interested for this kind of position, so they can apply here. So this is the details. Thank you. All the best.